I have been in Budapest. Oh, what a city. Welcome back, Nerdy Werner channel here. Happy to see you again. So I'm going to show you what I did in Budapest, because I've been there for a few days, not so much, but in 3 days I actually walked 55 kilometers. So why I'm wearing this glass? Because I'm going to show you the full footage of the 3 days of street photography I made in Budapest. I got my wonderful, amazing Insta360 over here. I'm going to show you also what I bring with me. So is the X-T4, is the camera is recording right now, and an X-T5. I didn't use that so much because pretty much all the time I was carrying on the X-T4. This was just a second body, just to be sure. The 23mm f1.4, the new version, like the WR version. So in case I got rain, I didn't have any problem. Sorry again about my English, by the way. And at the end of the video I wearing this glass because I want to show you also. I made a couple of prints. This is one. This is why I'm wearing the glass. This is the second. I hope you can get pretty much close. And then I made, and let me know in the comment if you want to see how I did this specific effect I'm going to show you here. Is pretty popular on Instagram and on social media, so it took seriously 5 minutes. Because I love trains and trams, I took a lot of pictures of trains and trams in Budapest, even because you can get really close to the railway. So, as I promised, I'm gonna get off my print glove. So X-T5, X-T4, of course, an L bracket with this amazing carry-on tripod made by Rolly. This is gonna be really small, like this. It's 30 centimeter. You can easily fit in your luggage. And one of the most important thing I got with me actually was probably the best decision I got in my life was this wonderful sling bag from Lower Pro. I'm not sponsored, by the way. This is, I paid with my cash. I decided to bring this instead of my normal Manfrotto backloader S backpack. Yeah, just because I got a little bit of restriction with the flight, so I didn't put the luggage on hold. I still to carry on my luggage with me in the, how do you call it in English? Into the plane with me. Up above my seat, sorry. So I got a restriction with the handbag, and this fit the handbag, but I've got room for the X-T4, X-T5, an extra lens, a couple of batteries, no, sorry, charger, no batteries. Here I got the 27 lens, the pancake. I didn't use, but by the way, because it was night, so it is in December now. So because I like to shoot in the night, I actually, sorry, better like this. I actually use the 1.4 because most of the time I need a wide aperture. But anyway, here I could fit this. Quite heavy because inside I can't open now. I got a second light just in case, the pocket light, like the one I just turned on now, just to show you how strong it could be this light and create some amazing effect. A couple of more batteries, SD cards. So I'm going to show you the full footage. I do apologize in advance because I got my Insta360 here, so you can see probably a little bit of shading, not so shaking, not so much, but it's part of the game. And then I'm going to show you a full carousel of the best image I took during these days. Again, I walked 55 kilometers, was not enough. That city is wonderful. It's one of the most beautiful cities I've seen in my life, actually. I fall in love with Budapest. If you got the chance, go there and walk through the city, because there is many corners and many spots and many things to see and to photograph. Even I was a little bit lucky, well, not so much lucky, but because it's Christmas. So it was full of Christmas point, like Christmas market, mini market. People was a lot of lights, a lot of Christmas stuff. You know that. I already talked too much. I leave you to see the footage and the carousel of the best image. Let me know if you want to see how I edit that picture. It's quite easy. It took 5 minutes with Photoshop. Anyway, thank you so much. See you next time. Ciao.
Sono 25 euro, 50.000 praticamente, 5 per 5 20, faccio un pochino, quello è il donuto. Oh, nice, like it, good. Ciao. Ma c'è la rientranza foto? Che non guardare? Io cazzo. Quale?